Girl, this is a trick. This is for you. I found a way how to curl your eyelashes, the fake eyelashes. Get your eyelash curler and oops. Oh, anyway, where is it? Yeah, so this is your eyelash, and you can insert, and it's there. Okay, see how I insert it. Can you see it? Is it clear? Yeah, is it clear? No, just press it as long as you can. And bring it a little further again and press it. So you can see. Girl, can you see how cool it is? Oh my gosh. That's so easy. Now all you have to do just apply. That's how I apply these lashes. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it? Oh my god. Yeah. Try it, and let me know. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just found it. Oh